guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT from BYBIT to Binance. So first, you are quickly going to head over to your Binance account, and when you come over to your Binance account, you are going to see home, markets, trade, futures, and wallet. So click wallet. So once you click wallet, you are going to see deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So we are going to deposit USDT here on Binance from BYBIT. So click deposit. And once you click deposit, you are going to search for a crypto you are going to deposit, either Bitcoin, USDT, Notcoin, whatever. So I'm depositing USDT. You can search it here as well, USDT. So you can see I want USDT, so I'm depositing USDT here. So you are going to choose a network. As for me, I want to use Toncoin here because Toncoin is free. Yes, otherwise if you use these other networks, they are going to charge you $1 to $2. Okay, yes, so I'll pick Toncoin. And once you pick Toncoin, you are going to see both memo and address are required to successfully deposit your USDT to Binance. So you are quickly going to click continue. So when you click continue, you are going to paste the deposit address, and you are going to also deposit the USDT memo. So this deposit address is used in cryptocurrency, in transferring crypto. Yes, we use address, not bank accounts or whatever. So we are going to paste this. Make sure that you paste the right address. Copy all the link. Okay, so I'll paste the link like this, and first I'll head over to BYBIT where I want to withdraw my money from. So this is BYBIT. Once you come over, you are going to see 40 USDT, and that is what I'm going to withdraw. Head over to assets. And once you come over to assets, you are going to see withdraw, deposit, withdraw, transfer, convert, giveaway, and easy buy. So click withdraw. Since I want to withdraw my money, so I'm going to withdraw USDT. Click over USDT. You can search any crypto that you want to withdraw, but as for now, I want to withdraw USDT. So you are going to see the address, paste the address, network, amount. Okay, so I'll paste the link, the address that I popped from Binance. Paste the address here, and this is the address, and they will say please choose a network, choose a chain type. Okay, so like I said, I chose Toncoin. Yes, I chose Toncoin because it's free of charge, and these other networks are charging you like $1 or $2. You look at this one, it's charging 8 USDT. That's high. Okay. I'll pick Ton. After choosing the network, you are going to choose tag or memo. So they say make sure if the destination tag or memo is required. So this is option, you can fill it or leave it. So let's go and paste the memo. Okay, so this is our Binance and this is the memo. So paste that. Yes, paste that and paste it here. Allow. So that is the tag or memo, and here you are going to fill in the amount you want to transfer. So I want to transfer all the amount. Okay, 40.3818. So this is the amount I want to transfer. And so guys, after you fill in the amount you are going to transfer, and I want to transfer all the amount, and here they say note daily remaining limit is 1 million, so you can transfer to 1 million a day. And here you are going to see the amount you are going to transfer. So transfer charges are free, so click withdraw. So as you are clicking withdraw, you are going to click confirm. After that, you are going to receive an email from BYBIT saying that you have withdrawn your USDT to your Binance account, and quickly this will show up withdraw application submitted. So you can click OK and view the withdrawal history, or you can just head over to your Binance account. As you say in process, please head over to the assets page to check the status. So let's quickly move on to the Binance to see whether the amount has been successfully transferred. So let's look over to our Binance account. So click Binance and refresh the page once again and click wallet. So let's as you can see, the 40 USDT has been successfully transferred to my Binance account. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and in my next video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw this USDT to your wallets. Thank you so much. Bye. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw this USDT to your bank accounts or anything. Bye.